If you can get these 3 things right, your income can explode and you'll be on track to build a successful online business and even become a millionaire. In this video, I'm going to break down a simple 3-part framework that worked for me and dozens of others who I've helped build and grow businesses. It's exactly what I do if I were starting from scratch today. And the first step, it's all about mastering one high-value skill that people actually need. And once you have that, the rest falls into place. When I say high value, I mean skills that companies, brands, or rich people pay lots for because these skills get real results. A low value skill might be something like designing thumbnails or basic video editing. These skills don't really make money directly, or it's hard to see how much they can make. High value skills though are different. Think of things like paid ads, email marketing, copywriting, or content creation services. Instead of trying to do everything or starting a business right away, focus on getting really good at one of these skills first. It's way easier to grow when you have solid skills that gets results. Alex Hormozi talks about this too. Without a core skill, many new businesses have a tough time finding clients and providing real value. But if you focus on learning one skill and getting really good at it, you're able to charge good money later. And here's a list of skills that you can try, so pick one that appeals to your interests and current skills. Now, let's talk about how you can learn that skill. There are a lot of resources like free YouTube videos, paid courses, mentorship programs, and even practicing with real clients on smaller projects to build confidence. My advice is to learn from someone else and get hands-on experience as soon as possible. Real-world results are what matter most. Whatever skill you pick though, make sure it checks one box, or you'll struggle to make your first $100,000. And this one box is super important, and if your skill doesn't fit here, you're going to get left behind. The skill that you choose needs to help the creator economy. Right now, the creator economy is worth $156 billion, and by 2030, well, that number is going to be way higher. So your skills need to help people like influencers, content creators, or anyone with a personal brand online to make more money. This is why skills like content creation, copywriting, or script writing are all good choices. But personally, I chose influencer marketing 6 years ago, and now I make $4 million a year with my business because of it. If I had to pick a skill today, I choose helping connect influencers with brands and running campaigns for them. Now, step 2 is going to show you how you can use the skill you pick, whether it's influencer marketing or something else, and make money from it. So once you're comfortable with your skill and are better than a beginner, the next focus is building credibility. The most important thing to help you charge more or land clients is showing proof that you can get results. Here's a simple way that you can get this proof. First, figure out who your ideal customer is. Trying to reach everyone won't work. People trust things that they relate to, so pick a niche like beauty creators or finance creators and stick with it. Let's say that you do either copywriting or influencer marketing. You gather any examples of work that you've done, like emails or campaigns, and make sure that they fit your niche. Add these examples to Google Drive folder. Next, you want to find people on Instagram or LinkedIn who might need your skill. Look for a flaw in what they're doing. Maybe their website copy isn't great, and message them offering to help. Do this, say, 50 times per day, and let's say that 10% respond, so 5 people say, send it over. You go to their website, rewrite the part that needs your help, and then send it. Because you've practiced, your work stands out, and 2 to 3 of them will reply with thanks. Then you can ask these people if you can share your portfolio and set up a call to discuss working together. One of them might say yes, and on that call, you offer to work for free or with a big discount. This isn't about the money, it's about getting your first case studies and reviews. And you want to repeat this process until you have 5 to 10 clients. Go all out to impress them and ask for a quick selfie video saying that you did a great job. This proof will be key when you're ready to charge higher rates. Potential clients are much more likely to trust you if you can show results. Many people try to skip this part, but it's one of the most important steps. Showing you've delivered results, even for a few clients, sets you apart when it's time to charge more. Once you have some proof, start sharing it online. Don't overcomplicate it. Pick one platform. Gurus might say to start on every social media site, but I only use LinkedIn to find clients, and my business makes $4 million per year. Create a LinkedIn or an Instagram profile with a clear photo of your face, and in your bio, simply say what you do, then create a section called case studies or client results, and post all of your reviews there. Now, when you reach out to people, you can still provide free value, but also show that you can get them results. This will increase the number of replies and help you turn more people into clients. Do this for at least 4 to 6 months, then you'll have proof and experience with your skill. Once you build up credibility and have reviews, it's time to level up. Now you can start setting up a business around your skill, and this lets you charge like a business and not just a freelancer. Being seen as an agency or a business makes you look more serious. But remember, you need to actually be good at your skill and have proof. If you skip the first 2 steps, it just won't work. And even if you get lucky and someone hires you, they won't stick around. The first thing you want to do here is create a brand for your agency. Keep it simple. Pick a name that sounds professional and shows what skills you're offering. When I started, I used my gamer name, Solerson, to sound a bit older and more established. I was only 17, just starting out, and wanted to look more professional. Once you have a name, use free tools like Canva to make a simple logo, and don't spend too much time on this. Just make it look clean and professional. It doesn't need to be perfect. Next, you want to create an online presence for your agency. Start with a LinkedIn profile, since LinkedIn is great for finding clients, especially in business. Make sure your profile says who you help, what you do, and why people should work with you. And if you already have a profile set up in step 2, you can make a second one for your agency. And if you want to go one step further, set up a one-page business. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just explain what you do, who you help, and give a way to contact you. Hostinger, who are a partner of my channel, is an easy and affordable option for this, and they can even create a website for you in AI. So if you want to try using their platform, you can head to the description and use my code Suhit, and you'll get about 60% off. Okay, so now you have your brand and an online presence. It's time to start packaging your services. This means organizing your skills into easy to understand services or bundles. For example, if you're into influencer marketing, they offer packages like campaign strategy and management or full service influencer outreach. If you do copywriting, you could offer email marketing or website optimization. For pricing, don't feel you have to charge a lot right away, but don't underprice yourself either. Starting slightly before the average can be competitive without making yourself seem cheap. As you gain experience and reviews, you can start raising your rates. Once you have packages and pricing, start building a reputation as an expert in your niche. This goes beyond just being good, it's about becoming the go-to business in your area. A great way to do this is by sharing tips, insights, or case studies on LinkedIn or Instagram. Posting useful content and showing off your results will help build your authority and attract clients who see you as an expert. For example, I post about influencer marketing on LinkedIn to show you I know what I'm talking about. You would do the same for your skill, so when clients check you out, they see you know your stuff. At this point, you're no longer just offering a service, you're running a business. And with this foundation, you're ready to scale up and improve how you operate. But I don't want to overwhelm you, because everything that I covered here is all you need to get started. And if you're serious about influencer marketing and want to learn the business model that worked for me and others that I've helped, you can check out the free course that is linked somewhere here on the screen or in the description of this video. And if this video helped you, hit a like and subscribe for more tips on building your online business and capitalizing on the creator economy.